If your RTK result look inconsistent on site, there is a high chance your points calibration is off. In this video, I will walk you through the correct RTK calibration precise step by step, using the GNSS GPS Pro in a real job set scenario. Let's get started.
Last issue we share how to create a new project and connect rover with internet entry based on GNSS Pro GNSS receiver. This issue we will show you how to perform points calibration with GNSS Pro GNSS receiver. First, open the RTK software Deck 6.0. Click Calibrate point. In coordinate select, click here to select points type. Then in control points, click the import. Click to choose import file format. Available in various formats. Select TXT formats we need and apply it. Then click next to import null and points coordinate file. Click OK to successfully import. Select these three null and points coordinate for calibration. Find the first control points and collect. Select A1 control point. Click this icon to collect coordinates. This is an IMU calibration action to improve accuracy. After completing the IMU calibration, click Ready to start collecting. The GNSS points coordinate has been collected. The first points calibration has been finished. Next, let's go to calibrate the A2 point. Now we come to the A2 control point. We can click Add and then click Null Points Coordinates to select A2 control point. Also click here to collect the GNSS points coordinate. Here we can enter a NAND code for the new point. Then click Ready to start collecting points coordinate. The second GNSS points coordinates has been collected and calibrated. Next, let's go to calibrate the A3 point. Now we come to the A3 control point. Select the A3 control points coordinate. Click it. Here the name and code are automatically changed to G3. Click Ready to start calibrating the third point. The third GNSS points coordinate has been collected and calibrated. You can click the Calculate to calculate the parameter for the local coordinate system. This is the localization setting, then click OK. We will get the localization parameters. Finally, click Apply to use the parameter for your current project. We compare the GNSS collected points coordinate with the control points coordinate and check the surrounding accuracy. Here we can see the error between the GNSS points coordinate and the noise points coordinate is within 6 mm. Make sure the site calibration accuracy is within 2 to 3 cm before starting a survey job. For most exciting content, welcome to follow our channel at GeoDex Learning Technology.
Subscribe GeoDex for more real-world geomatics tutorials and field tests.